What happens if you get a DUI under 21 in California? Getting arrested for driving under the influence before your 21st birthday in California triggers consequences far harsher than most young drivers realize. Under California's zero tolerance law found in Vehicle Code Section 23136, any measurable blood alcohol concentration of just 0.01% or higher results in an immediate 1-year driver's license suspension. This extremely low threshold means that even trace amounts of alcohol from certain medications or products can trigger serious legal consequences. California applies 3 separate vehicle code sections to underage drivers depending on their specific BAC level at the time of arrest. At the lowest level, VC 23136 kicks in with any BAC of 0.01% or higher, leading to DMV administrative action and a 1-year license suspension without requiring any proof of actual impairment. When the BAC reaches 0.05% or higher, Vehicle Code Section 23140 applies as an infraction with mandatory alcohol education programs and continued license suspension. The most serious level occurs at 0.08% BAC or higher, where VC 23152 charges the underage driver with standard adult DUI as a misdemeanor offense. First offense misdemeanor DUI penalties can include up to 6 months in county jail, fines ranging from $390 to $1,000 plus penalty assessments, and mandatory completion of DUI education programs. The driver's license consequences often create the most immediate problems, affecting everything from getting to classes at San Diego State University to commuting to part-time jobs. Unlike adult DUI cases, underage drivers are not automatically entitled to a restricted license during their zero-tolerance suspension period. A limited critical need restriction may be available only to first offenders who completed chemical testing and can demonstrate specific transportation needs after serving the first 30 days. If the underage driver doesn't yet have a license at the time of violation, the DMV will delay their eligibility to apply for their first license by 1 full year. The arresting officer typically confiscates the driver's license immediately and issues a temporary license valid for just 30 days before the suspension takes effect. Anna R. Yum, a former prosecutor turned defense lawyer, understands exactly how the district attorney's office builds these cases and uses that insight to challenge the evidence. Her law firm handles both the criminal court proceedings and the critical DMV administrative hearings that determine whether driving privileges can be preserved. With her experience as a deputy district attorney prosecuting DUI cases, this attorney knows the prosecution strategies and can identify weaknesses in their evidence. Contact the law offices of Anna R. Yum at 1230 Columbia, St. 1140 San Diego, CA 92101, United States, and call 619-233-4433 to schedule your consultation before the 10-day DMV hearing deadline expires.